later.
링그링그롱그롱그. 링그링그롱그롱그. Mom's at it again. Being a menace. You done?
I think so. Let's dive in. Damn. Granny be drinking.
I'm telling you, she has a problem.
Only God can judge her.
Kami.
伝説の船大工のチームが力を合わせてこそ完成した奇跡の船なんだあれは。
She has one. What if she has an X? There's a secret one.
いい加減にしろてめえら。そうだぞ。今海に出られるわけねえだろ。バカか。アホが。例年のアクアラグナでさ。
They're all just roasting. Yeah.
エニエスロビーって私知ってるわ。政府の島だと聞いて思い出したの。そこは正義の門がある場所じゃないの。
Gates of Justice.
The gates of justice. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Not ringing a bell in my head.
罪人はその誰もいない裁判所を素通りしてやがて冷たく巨大な鋼鉄の扉にたどり着く。一つは世界中の正義の戦力の最高峰、海軍本部。
The headquarters.
もう一つは拷問室と死刑台が立ち並び、世界中で暴れ回っていた凶悪な囚人たちが幽閉される真の大監獄、インペルダウン。エニエスロビーは罪人に何の慈悲も与えず、ただそこへ送り込むだけの裁判機関。
So Tom is there.
どこへ運ばれようとその先は地獄よ。こうしてる今もロビンは刻々と正義の門に近づいていってるのに。
お前ら世界政府の中枢に喧嘩でも売る気か。
Hell yeah, they are.
I wonder if Luffy's...
Say it. He's like, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you mother... Dude, meanwhile, everyone's just getting...
Beat up by the wave.
Let's go! They're ready to squabble. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
パウリの言う通りだ。バカだね。うっせえな。ばあさんには関係ねえ。な。死ぬ覚悟があるんなら。
Maybe he built a... Give you a ride on a sea train. Is there one that's either underwater or invisible? Sorry, and by the way, pause.
Did you see that suitcase that was open with a mask in it?
Oh. Real quick, just because I want to make sure I'm understanding it correctly. That we saw that wave splash all on Luffy. Wouldn't that make him...
I know.
Like he couldn't use his...
He goes like...
His devil fruit powers. Technically, right? I just confirm, please. And then the other thing is... you know what's kind of interesting is this place, Enies Island, is the world government hub headquarters.
What'd you say? This place, what?
Enies Island.
Oh, Enies Lobby.
Yeah, but it's on Enies Island. Yes.
Enies Lobby.
Enies Lobby.
Yeah.
The gates of
I
justice.
thought you said Penis Island. Okay, so.
Yes, Penis Island is the Navy's headquarters. but it's interesting that the Navy chose to put their headquarters in the Grand Line. Right? Because it's like not just anyone can even reach past the Grand Line. Remember that it was like somewhat difficult to get through.
Also with the same place as like
where
everyone,
all the pirates are. I know,
but maybe that makes sense.
It does make sense.
It's like they can keep an eye on them. Oh, it seems kind of crowded.
They can keep an eye on them. They can utilize them because we know, man, the Navy is shady, bro. They have so many pirates working for them, and I bet you we don't even know the half of it yet. I'm sure there's like way more deep shit with it.
Yeah.
But I just found that interesting because it's like their headquarters is here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on to you, Oda. All right, where do you think this other train is? Underground or invisible or in the sky? It's one of those three, obviously, right?
This music.
It's like the mask.
Oh.
Dude.
It's like a breakdancing move.
Yeah, it's really cool fighting style.
Just like in the last carriage. Oh, twins? Brandon and Ron. You guys should dress up like that. With like your hair like that.
That would be hilarious. But there's no way they last past this episode.
So no one would know.
Only like real One Piece fans would be like, oh my god, you're from episode. Sanji killed you guys.
That was super easy.
Yeah, no, I'm not being those characters.
You can call Nami.
なんだここには何匹もあるじゃねえか。俺はウォーターセブンの裏の顔。解体やフランキーだ。てめえがフランキーがクソ野郎。よくもあん時はうちの長っ鼻を偉い目に何枚に降ろされてんだこら。サジちょっと待って。あれからいろいろ。
Yeah.
I know this is complicated.
てめえ人が下手に出てりゃいい気になりやがってやめろってだてめえらはおいグズグズしてたら見つかっちまうだ
Also, keep it down, man. Like.
Oh no.
Mugen Train.
Dude.
It's Rengoku.
Yeah, or Minato.
This guy looks.
But he also looks like a Spartan. I'm gonna go Luffy. You
no, I
hold
said
on. You have something on your hair. I mean, you have hair on the nose.
この倉庫は8年以上放置されてる。海列車に至っちゃ12年以上手つかずだ。
Damn.
もう動かねえかもしんねえがな。
おい、それじゃ困るぞ。
Is Iceberg already down there?
I bet you he is. That's what that scene was. Yup.
Because he's gonna go after Franky.
Yup.
Oh. Dang.
Okay, so I was wrong. He literally just built an entire, just a second one. Rocketman, but it must be faster than the other.
Because it's so fast.
Or else there would be no way of them catching up. There he is.
よく無事だったな。使え。整備は済んだ。水も石炭も積んで今蒸気をため。
Dang. This is cool.
何しろこのロケットマンはどう調整しても蒸気感がスピードを抑えられねえ。パフィングトム完成以前の失敗。
Oh my god! How does it stop?
I can't guarantee your lives. Because of the water. Oh. Well, sorry.
Don't tell me that's
me?
food. Wow.
I think it's for her. It's for
Damn,
him.
she is steps ahead. That is clutch.
She understands her captain.
Dude, he's so ballsy too, because he's going into the ocean
Yeah.
on a train.
お肉と飲み物。なんか言ってごめんなさい。
よいしょっと。海列車に吹っ飛ばされてもどっこい生きてやがったんだから。
Franky,
それ
think
にこ
about
っち
it.
には海賊王のあんちゃんたちもいるしな。
It's funny that she keeps calling him the king of pirates. That's so cool. They're here to help. They're going with him.
They're like loyal to him.
Mm-hmm.
相手は世界政府らよ。
Let's go.
Aw.
I respect that.
俺たちはおめえらに合わせてキングブルで海に飛び出すからよ。車両の後ろに捕まらせてくれればいいんだ。やったー！兄貴を救出に行けるぞ。
Dang, those are some
Damn.
good guys. It's not his voice.
よし、ほいじゃ行こうか。
Holy.
You sly
海
dog.
賊ども、振り落とされんじゃないよ。
That is dangerous.
Let's go.
Let's go to penis lobby. That's what you said. Well, that's what I thought you said. This is like a crazy water ride.
Yeah, it
You know
feels
those
like
log rides?
yeah, like a roller coaster.
It burns.
気をつけろ。
Gotta hold on. Someone check her driving record.
Damn.
This looks fun, actually. Like a roller coaster.
Wait, does it land on the track?
I mean, let's hope so.
Oh, let's go. That's pretty sick.
Oh, it's like
It's
a
gonna
chariot.
pull a ship. Wow.
Nice.
Oh my god, that's how they're attaching.
運転室より緊急連絡だ。これから線路を掴むと急速に速度が上がるよ。軽い傷で済むよ。しっかりしがみついてな。
とりあえず怪我はするんだ。
Damn, this would be
Hold on.
crazy.
Loopy, hold on.
Dude, Granny lives for this, dude.
They weren't supposed to be.
Yeah, what the hell? I thought they were left behind.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
they're so cute, though. Look at the body. Okay, Loopy, grab them. She's like laughing. They went faster.
Straw Hat Brother. I like that.
早くチームに立ちよう。このまま線路に乗ったら吹き飛ばされちまうよ。
Grab them. Dude, stretch your arm.
Wait, and before it's on the rail, how is it even floating? I'm gonna let that one, like,
There's momentum.
yeah, just speed, right? It's just on top of the water.
Don't think.
No, I know.
Accept.
I know.
Damn, good thing they were there. Holy crap. Dude, it's going so
They're gonna break it.
This is me and you.
Carol, for the girl.
あいつならきっと大丈夫ら。海列車に吹っ飛ばされてもどっこい生きてやがったんだ。凶暴なトムの弟子カティ・フランは死んだそうだ。海列車に引っか
Is this where her drinking?
I know, this is like where it
アイス
started.
バーグ。
トムさん見ててくれ。
He must be the one that. Yeah.
守ってみせるさ。すべてを。この町も
Dang.
この設計図も。
I was gonna say he must be the one that repaired
お客様
Franky.
がカティ・フラムといえばわかると。
But it. Oh, but I guess not.
お父さん
Oh.
追い返せ。
What? Okay, now I'm way more intrigued.
Why?
ずいぶん回りくどい相
This
方
is
を。
after he died.
Oh, okay.
This is 4 years. It was 4 years later, and he believes him to be dead.
うるせえ。体中使い物にならなくなったんで、鉄くずで改造して生き延びたんだ。それよりてめえ。
Oh, he did it himself.
俺が狙われるのも時間の問題だ。こいつを持ってこの島を出ろフランキー。この島を。トムズワーカーズのカティ・フラムは死んだ。お前がそれを名乗らねえ限り、俺とお前がつながる。
But he used it already.
ちょっと待て。設計図を持ってねえおめえがあいつらに狙われたらどうなる。俺の要件は。
No, they discovered it. CP9 like
アイスバーグ。
discovered.
こともねえかもな。
Yeah, because he used the name
おめえ。
when he asked
ト
for
ムさ
him.
んと同じ目に遭いてえのか。設計図はお前が持ってろ。俺を信用していいのか。それを渡したことで答えにはならねえか。俺たちはいつまでも変わらねえな。顔を突き合わせりゃ怒鳴り合って。この先も俺はお前を許さねえし。お前もそうかもしれねえが。生きててよかったな。
Dude, he doesn't have a lot of people from that time. Like how close they were with Tom. Damn.
俺はこの島を出ていかねえからな。俺は俺のやりたいようにやる。てめえの言うことなんか死んでも聞かねえからな。絶対に。
ちょっと待て。この車両におかしなやつ
Yeah.
がいるぞ。
何それ誰だ。
They are here too?
おめえもだろ。
Oh, I assume for some reason I was assuming that they were part of the Frank family.
No,
but I wasn't even like. That's right. They were part of the shipwright. Well,
Yeah, they are. They're
but
they're
yeah,
not
but not
CP9s.
the exactly.
俺にとってもアイスバーグさんの命を狙った犯人でもあるルッチ、カク、カリファ、そして酒場のブルーノ。あいつらがアイスバーグさんを殺そうとした。
Oh, yeah, I was thinking that too.
誰だよそれ。
来た来た。やっと腹いっぱいになったぞ。
Finally full.
じゃあまあ街じゃごたごたあったけど、この先
Yeah,
ここにい
everyone's
る全員の敵は同じ
here.
だ。
ともかくあいつらに追いつかねえことには何も終わらねえ。
Oh no.
あ、早速来たかい。
チムニー、ちょっと見せて。
It's like we forgot that they also have to deal with the.
Yeah. There's a lot going on here.
ココロさん、こんな時に運転室から離れていいの？どうにかしてあの高波を。
They're gonna go through it.
ロケットマンは制御不能。
せっかく同じ方向を向いてるもんがバラバラに戦っちゃ意味がね。
そうだな。
All hands in.
Whoa.
俺たちは同志だ。出た海
Yay.
列車には俺たちの仲間も乗り
Dude, we're going to war.
上がる。
Damn. Yeah, they're riding a lot deeper than I thought.
大波なんかにやられんな。全員目的を果た
These
す
two. And her.
Oh my.
Oh my word.
My Jiminy Crickets. I can't wait to watch the next episode, but guess what? We're about to watch the next two right now.
Not this video.
Not this video,
You're
but
always
no, but I'm gonna
leading them astray.
no, but like right now, right after
For
this video,
us.
for us right now.
So
Well, you could watch it right now too,
if you're
over on
YouTube.
Patreon.
But only for YouTube people. Sorry, Patreon.
Yeah, if you're watching this on Patreon, that means that it was just probably recently uploaded. Ooh, this is awkward. But we got more stuff coming for you. You already know we got you guys. Patreon, you get all of our love and affection. Our love and affection.
I was thinking that.
All right. Dude, I got bars.
We're gonna lose some subs.
All right.
Yikes.
Let's just keep going.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. Stay up, stay blessed. Catch you guys on the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
You never wanna pick